Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain how to draw one bedroom house or one bedroom simply. Okay, so first of all you have to pick a line command. Okay, click on the screen and you need to specify what would be the length or what would be the size of your room. So in our case we are using 12 feet. Okay, so 12 feet by 12 feet. So draw that line, move your mouse to right or left, for example, just click 12 and again 12, double click at the end. So you have drawn a box. The size of this box is 12 feet by 12 feet. Now obviously the rooms always have walls. Now we need to specify the thickness of our wall. How to do that? We need to use an offset command. Click on offset command. Okay, now you need to specify how much width you want to use for the wall. Okay, in our case we are going to use 0.5 feet, 6 inches, you can say that. So if you specify that, then click on that line, click inside, click the actual line, then click inside, click actual line, click inside. By doing that, you have now drawn a room with the wall thickness. Okay, as you can see at the corners we have small boxes. We need to take them off. These boxes can remain on your drawing if you like to provide pillars at the corner of your room. This is I'm talking about in real life. Normally nobody likes to do that because they don't want to spend so much money while building only one room. So let's take this one off. In order to take that one off, there are two ways. First of all, you can use trim command, or the second one, you can click that line and drag it to that corner, drag it to the point. So for example, if you want to click on that line and you want to drag it, select that line, go to that blue dot, click with the left click and drag it to this point. Okay, so this is how you can finish that small box at the end of your room. Okay, now in here I am going to use trim command because at this corner I just use the method while dragging lines to the corners, inner corners. Now I am going to delete them while using trim command. Okay, so trim command is here located on your right hand side, so click on that. Okay, so this command is a little bit tricky. It's not that much tricky, you just need to focus it how you can use that. Obviously we have these two lines and both are crossing. Trim command only works if the lines crosses each other. Okay, so I will select this line and I will also select the other line as well because these both lines are crossing each other. So both lines are selected. Now come back to the previous line. I'm in the first line, click, right click, then left click. Once you do that, the line will go off. Now this line is remaining. You just need to click once, left click, that's it. That's easy. Now same with this, select this line. Sorry, the lines have already been selected. You just need to double click on these lines now. So if I just say go back, double click on it, the line will go off, but this line remains. You need to click escape, select it and drag it to this inner point. Sorry, now we have this line. Trim. Okay, select this line, select the second line, go back to first line, left click, then right click, then left click. Same with that, you can just select it and take that one off. Okay, so we have created our room which is 12 by 12. Obviously inner side is less than 12 by 12 and outer edge is 12 by 12. Now we have to specify the room door and the room window. So this is kind of room, and this is a plan view. You can imagine you are looking at that from the top. So now we have to draw a door and a window. How to draw a door? You need to click line command, come to that corner, because I like to provide that door on left hand side of my room. Okay, so click on that line, go to the right, specify the width of your room, the width of your door, which is 3 feet in our case. Enter, come down, the width of your wall is 0.5, click press 0.5, enter it, then go back to your first point, which is 3 feet. Okay, and then finish your small rectangle while drawing the door. Okay, so you have drawn the door size. Now we need to draw a window. The window would be from between this corner to this corner. Okay, how we can do that? Obviously we have to find out what is the distance from here to there, which is 9 feet. So from here to there is 9 feet. Insert inner side, it's 8.5 feet. Okay, so I need to draw a center line here, then I will use offset command, then finally I will finish my window. Okay, so I will click on offset. So it's asking me how much offset you want. Press enter, and I like to have, because this is 9.4 feet and I want the middle one. It's 9 feet from here to there, and I want middle point, which is 4.5. So click 4.5 feet, enter, and click on that line. Slightly gone wrong, sorry. So it's offset 4.5, enter, click on that line. So this is the center line of your window area. Okay, so obviously I need to specify the width of my window, which I like to have 6 feet. So 3 feet at this side, 3 feet at that side. Okay, so I will use offset command again. Click offset command, click 3, enter, click on this line and click in there. So now you have a size of your window. We need to take the center line off because we use this as a reference. Okay, so now here you have your window and here you have your door. Obviously we drawn these both object, door and window, using line command, but I don't want to use line command because we used it to draw it. Now we have to make it as a one object. As you can see, this is just only one line, so we want to see our door as a one object. In order to do that, there are two options. Either you can use polyline or you can use rectangle. So in here I'm going to use the rectangle, and in here I'm going to use polyline. So both have the same function. So okay, so it's a rectangle. Click on rectangle, click on first corner and drag it to the last corner. So see, now it's one object rather than just one line. Now I am going to use polyline from here to there. Okay, click that polyline, click on this corner, click all corners. Okay, once you click the last corner, just press enter. See, now your window is also as a one object rather than some lines like window and like door. They both are same. Okay, so we have drawn 12 by 12 feet room. We draw a door which is 3 by 6. Obviously the 6 dimension we cannot see. Once we will draw elevation, we will be able to see that the height of the door, and this is our window which is 6 by 6 again. So we can only see 6 but we cannot see the height of that window. Obviously this is just a plan view. The height can only be seen in elevation plan. So now final thing, I like to add some writing, okay, the size and the room name or whatever. So how to do that? Click on text command, multi-text. It says click inside the room, drag it to the right. Now you have a space where you can write. Okay, so this is my room 1. Okay, the size is 12 by 12. Obviously this is too small. I like to make it slightly bigger text. Select all text. How to select it? Select inside, drag it to the left. Then you need to change that size as well. Select that number as well, otherwise you won't get bigger size. Then click OK. Okay, so this is bigger one. Now I want different text. Double click on that text. So I want different text. You can have this text now. Okay, here you are. So room 1, 12 by 12 feet. Obviously there are so many things to do in this room. I mean, in this drawing you can have dimensions outside. I mean, the different way of showing your dimensions, different way of writing text, etc. So I will explain in my next video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.